Hey YouTube, welcome to our Captain Around video, and this time we have another Raving Planes. So let's get started. We have a Air Force One, F-16, Dreamlifter. This is actually the damaged ones. Space Shuttle. There's Disney planes. Lead Bottom, F-16. This racer, Ripslinger, Air Force One, one of my first planes. F-18, Spitfire, glider. More space shuttles than this and this. This plane, this Ripslinger, Delta Simpor 7. FedEx. Yeah. We have this space shuttle, this helicopter, and another space shuttle. We have the FedEx, this. And also this, whatever this is. Dusty, Skipper, Lufthansa, Hollywood, this, Canadian plane, this, Transformers, Tonka, two private jets. This is a Continental, and this is, I just kept it, the Blue Pacific, helicopter, just this, Disney World, Skyliner, and here's the rest of the broken stuff, Blue Angel, 787. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Check out part 3 and part 1. I'll film part 3 later, and then yeah, part 1 you have to see. So thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and goodbye.